A truce between termites and ants, with each side having their own line of guards. This is not the battle you expected to see. Oh, wow.
Isn't it cool?
They have an
Kinda
actual
cool.
front. Oh, is this Mo?
This is a standoff. No, I saw this video.
Oh, okay. This, the degree to which they respect the boundary, and then the warfare goes on behind the scenes. Like,
The
what are
gathering.
they gathering resources behind the scenes? I'm surprised the termites. Wait,
They're a lot bigger.
but I'm also surprised that they respect the much smaller ants.
Yeah.
I feel like at any moment.
Well, we talked about
Well,
the
they could
ants
be-
being super strong, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Lifting SIM cards.
you
and
don't
stuff.
want to mess with ants. I agree with that. And
They're just staring at each other. It's kind of funny.
I wonder
Well, bigger doesn't always
if
mean
at any
stronger.
point they engage.
Mm.
They just go, that's it, bam, and then it's probably not, or we would see that.
Have
clip.
you seen like
Ant
the-
versus termite?
just ants versus ants, like warfare?
Ant warfare.
Yeah,
like
colony
documentaries.
wars.
Yeah, man, those are crazy. It gets
Is this a new video game you're making?
no, they just start throwing
Ant
other
warfare.
ants off of trees completely. Like you'll grab them and toss them.
Right.
It's really cool. Like,
How do they know why are they doing that?
well, they're just going to war with another colony.
Yeah, why?
I think it's territory.
Territory, expansion, food, nature stuff. I don't
How do
know.
they know who's who?
Smell.
Smell, senses.
How do they know what to do?
I'll talk to my aunt tonight and find out. I don't
Your
know.
ant buddy?
Yeah. But I have no
How does
idea.
an ant know how to organize itself?
Well, Queen tells it what to do.
How so?
You want me to say something, and I don't know what it is.
You want me to say?
Mo becomes Italian. Just shaking his fist.
It's amazing how just a certain line of questioning
Right.
can just
Short circuit me.
demolish. No, anybody. It's like, I don't know, leave me alone. Yeah, they're amazing. Absolutely. And I'm just goofing.